Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist TVJ has dropped his self-defense anti-dub aimed at politicians in Jamaica. On the track, TVJ states a few reasons why he does not think artists should be supporting politicians during the election campaign season.
Politicians can't beg no dough plate for me. Looking at them face, not smile with nobody. Machine up the place, them not provide for me. That's why them can't use my voice, none at all.
In his caption, he noted that a lot of politicians blame the music for everything, yet they're turning to music to attract people. Since the general election was announced last week, political dub plates from both the JLP and PNP have been released in support of their respective campaigns.
Lisa Anna go bust them bubble and walk out everybody in a trouble and this man run south east in Maryland. I'm a clean up the TVJ, so nobody come with no wrong. It will bring a bam bam.
Yo, bunting out and stunting, Kyle them tick like dumpling.
Step up in a them scheme in a brand new clocks, per foot. Every girl pass shook Nigel a rock, brand new clocks, per foot.
Nomination day yesterday saw the king of dancehall Beenie Man joining his partner Crystal Tomlinson on her campaign, while D'Angel drops a dub for opposition Juliet Cuthbert Flynn. Now, dancehall artist Rygin King is gearing up to release a new track titled No Emotions. On the track, Rygin gives an insightful overview of some of his most difficult challenges. No Emotions will touch on topics such as betrayals, depression, losing friends and loved ones, and other relatable social issues he encountered. The single is one of the lead songs on the Solid Heart rhythm and will be released over the weekend. This marks the artist's first single since he was shot and injured in June while attending a funeral. The Tough DJ is currently recovering after the incident. Now onto the international scene, where a new date has been announced for the Billboard Music Awards. The event that was scheduled for April 2020 will now take place October 14 this year. The Billboard Music Awards was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. American singer Kelly Clarkson will return as this year's host for the third consecutive year. The Billboard Music Award nominees and winners are based on key fan interactions with music, including album and digital song sales, streaming, radio airplay, touring, and social engagement, tracked by Billboard and its data partners. The nominees for this year's event have yet to be announced. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.